Hi everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome to Free Power. It's good to have you here. Yes, we're going to talk about some more good things about Aptera as they continue to get their PI2, PI3, PI4 together, and hopefully we'll be seeing some testing done on it very soon. And we want them to hurry up and get this baby out on the road. So we're going to talk about their solar panels. So let's get into this baby. All right, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. We know that Aptera is in the business of making solar panels, and they are actually doing part of their work to sub out solar panels for other companies, like this one here. Let's talk about this one right here.
Aptera Solar is applicable not just to our vehicles, but it can be applied to many other industries. By expanding our solar revenue early on, we hope to make a bigger impact in the world and also get revenue positive sooner in order to scale the production of our solar EV. We've completed a pilot program with Polydrops, known for their innovative EV trailers designed for efficient and sustainable travel. Utilizing our custom fit panels ensures maximum energy capture and delivers a high power output of 1,300 watts, giving substantial energy for extended trips and off-grid applications. These custom fit panels that are significantly lighter than traditional panels and do so while being automotive grade and conforming to the shape of the trailer.
So as Steve brought out, they're making high efficient panels, lightweight panels for a company called Polydrop. I did a video on that earlier. And he brought out that the way they designed their panels, since it basically fits the top of the trailer that Polydrop has designed, since it fits it so perfectly, they're getting like 1,300 watts of power from those panels. So just imagine this. What if Aptera designed a trailer, a lightweight flatbed trailer with solar panels on top of it, just for collecting power for the Aptera? And we could plug it in the back and just hook it on the back of the Aptera. Of course, the Aptera is going to have a hitch on it, but they're talking about doing that anyway. And with an extra 1,300 watts or more, that's that the Aptera would be receiving 2,000 watts of power during the sunny part of the day. That's just magnificent, and I think they can do that. Just look at what this guy did, and I got a link to his video below. He actually did that with his solar designed vehicle. Let's take a look. So what this guy did was pretty impressive. This was very ingenious. He's got on the vehicle that he designed, he's got 3 panels that are hooked in the series. And he on the trailer that he designed, the flatbed trailer, he was able to put 9 panels just like what's on the vehicle that he designed, the exact same specs. And those panels, each one is 18 volts, 175 watts, and 9 amps. So the design that he did, he wanted to keep with that same pattern. So with the 9 panels, he took 3 of them and hooked them in the series. And when he did that, that would give him a total of 54 volts, 525 watts, and 9 amps. So with 9 panels, he was able to do that 3 times. And when he designed that, after he hooked all those up in the series, then he hooked the 3 sets of threes in parallel. And when he did that, that gave him a total of 54 volts, 1,575 watts, and 27 amps. So that's a pretty nice array that he has. That's a very good setup. So he could end up with the equivalent of, and that's not including the panels that's on the vehicle itself, 1,575 watts of energy that he could collect from the sun from the trailer. So that's pretty nice. When he was driving and he was checking his system out, when he went out in the sun, he was actually able to get a reading, and you could see right here that the reading that he got was he got 59 votes, 1,336 watts. So he was doing pretty good. He was collecting quite a bit of power off of that to add to his vehicle to where he could pretty much almost be self-sufficient. He said that when he was running, I mean, you could check the video out. I actually got a link down below that you can actually check if you want to look at the video. But he said that the amount of power that he was getting, where he was not draining the battery at all when the power or the sun was at full tilt for the solar panels. And so I think Aptera could do something very similar. They could come out with a flatbed panel, and with their designs, they can add range to the Aptera. That would be fantastic, especially if you go on a camping trip. Not that you would actually need it. And then the only downside to this is, like, only certain people would be able to buy this trailer and be able to use it. Like if you have your own house. A lot of people, like if you have to park on the street because you don't have a garage because you live in a townhome or a condominium, then of course you're not going to be able to have that trailer. I mean, I guess some places you could. Some townhomes have a garage that you'd be able to park it into. But that would be awesome to be able to ride around with all this extra energy. But anyway, tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this trailer that I think would be a good idea for Aptera. And of course, there's probably going to be, you know, a select few people that would buy it. But I think it would be pretty ingenious. I think what he did, this guy did, was pretty ingenious. But once again, tell me what you think. So I'm just going to give a shout out to my Patreons. You guys are awesome. You know I got to pay attention to you because you make my day. And actually, to everybody that's watching this video, I really do appreciate you checking this out. But hopefully very soon now we'll be hearing about the testing that Aptera is doing, and we'll be able to see them on the road. What I'm looking forward to is the crash testing. But anyway, you guys take care. You enjoy the rest of your day. We'll catch you later on. Y'all have a good one. And if you're new here, hit the like, ring the bell, subscribe, and you'll catch my next video when it comes out. All right. Bye-bye.